This presentation focuses on measures of center: the mean, the median, and the mode. Summary statistics tell the story of the data, so we're summarizing data with measures of center. Mean is the average or the norm. Median is the middle value that divides the data set into two equal parts, and mode is the most frequent value or values listed. But all three measure center. Let's take them one at a time. The mean value, or arithmetic average, is found by adding all the values together and dividing by how many we have. Let's calculate the mean delivery time of Luco's Pizza using a sample of 6 deliveries: 32 minutes, 35 minutes, 21 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, and 39 minutes. To find the mean, we add all 6 times together and divide by 6. So we get 202 divided by 6, which gives us a mean delivery time of 33.7 minutes. The median is the midpoint of our data, and if you look in the upper right corner, you'll see the median of a road, which essentially divides our road into two directions of traffic. And in statistics, it's very similar. The median is the middle of our data. It is calculated differently depending on how many data values there are. If I have an odd number of data values, I arrange the values in order first and choose the middle value. For example, find the median of the following numbers: 2, 3, 6, 9, and 4. First, we arrange the values in order, usually lowest to highest. So I've done that here. 2, 3, 4, 6, and 9. Now we find the middle value. And the easiest way to do this when you're first starting is to cross out your lowest data value with your highest, and the next lowest data value with the next highest, and so on until you're left with only one middle value. This is your median. Note there are 2 numbers lower than 4 and 2 numbers higher than 4. What about with an even number? Let's calculate the median delivery time of Luco's Pizza. Remember the 6 sample times were 32 minutes, 35 minutes, 21 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, and 39 minutes. Again, we first arrange the values in order. Hint: this time, however, we must average the 2 middle values. Pause this video and you try it now. What did you get for your median? To find the median of an even number, we arrange the values in order first: 21, 32, 35, 35, 39, and 40. Now we're going to identify the 2 middle values. Again, you can cross out the lowest with the highest, the next lowest with the next highest, and so on until you're left with just 2 middle values. Then you're going to take the average of your 2 middle values. 35 plus 35 is 70, and 70 divided by 2 gives us 35. So the median delivery time is 35 minutes. How about the mode? The mode is the value that occurs most often. In our sample data, 2 delivery times were 35 minutes, and that was the most frequently listed value. So 35 minutes is the mode. It's possible to have more than one mode or no mode at all. The following data has 2 modes: 2, 4, 6, 2, 8, and 4. Take a minute and see if you can find 2 modes in this data set. Did you notice that the number 2 was listed 2 times and also the number 4 was listed 2 times? So because those 2 numbers were listed 2 times and no other data value was listed more than 2 times, this is called a bimodal data set, and we have 2 modes. Now you've learned a bit about mean, median, and mode.